Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your trash in Canva. So in case you're in Canva in whatever design and from time to time you may delete files that you no longer need. Let's say you want to go back to your trash to see what's there or even to clear your cache. It's very easy. What you want to do once you're in Canva home dashboard here, you want to go ahead and scroll down towards the left hand side and you will find the trash icon. Simple click on trash and you'll be taken over to trash. Here you will see the trash is split into three sections: your designs, your images, and also your videos. So whatever you want to delete, you can easily delete them. So as you can see here, this is my trash and I have various files inside. If you want to delete something specific, you can easily click on that and click delete from trash, and that's going to clear up trash for you. Once it pops up, simply click on delete, and you can do that by deleting various things that you don't want in your trash. And this is how you can easily delete files from your trash. Now, in case you want to go ahead and change the view, because this is practical, because this is a grid view, you can put it into a list view. You can simply click view as list and you will see that it shows your different files from a list view. And you can also check your images as well. If you want to delete something as well, you can easily go ahead, click three dots and click remove from trash and click delete. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can go ahead and find your trash in Canva.